Have you ever cleaned your kitchen only for it to still feel messy? The counters are wiped, the dishes are done, yet something feels off. Today, I'm breaking down why your kitchen still feels cluttered and what simple minimalist changes can fix it without cleaning more. Let's get into it. Reason number 1, too many items on the counters. Clean counters don't always mean clear counters. Appliances, spice jars, decor, utensils, even when clean, create visual noise. Minimalist fix. Keep only daily use items out. Everything else goes into cabinets. Instant calm. Reason number 2, open storage overload. Open shelves look nice online, but in real life, they collect clutter fast. Mismatched containers, crowded jars, and busy labels can make your kitchen feel chaotic. Minimalist fix. Limit open shelves to a few matching items, or switch to closed storage where possible. Reason number 3, duplicates you don't need. How many spatulas, mugs, or storage containers do you really use? Duplicates take up space and make cabinets messy, even if everything is organized. Minimalist fix. Keep the best version. Donate or store the rest elsewhere. Reason number 4, nothing has a clear home. When items don't have a designated place, they end up on counters. That's how clutter sneaks back in. Minimalist fix. Assign a specific spot for every item, especially the ones you use daily. Reason number 5, visual clutter, not dirt. Mess isn't always about dirt, it's about visual overload. Bright packaging, labels, and mixed materials make spaces feel busy. Minimalist fix. Use matching containers. Store colorful packaging out of sight. Keep color palettes simple. Reason number 6, no daily reset habit. Cleaning once isn't enough. Without a simple daily reset, clutter slowly returns. Minimalist fix. Spend 5 to 10 minutes every night resetting counters, dishes, and surfaces. Small habits, big cleanups. If your kitchen still feels messy after cleaning, the problem isn't effort. It's too much stuff and unclear systems. Minimalism helps your kitchen stay calm, functional, and easy to maintain. If this helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more minimalist kitchen tips.